15, go to your 15. I see what you're doing. Yes. Um, keep your 1 hour too. So we may come down there.
Right.
I like how that end wall is stacking up on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
So now we suffice it to say, I guess you agree that we're in the sell side of a model right now on the
Right.
lower time frame.
Mm-hmm. And then like there's a lot of liquidity below
One
here.
point of consolidation, right? Working our way down. Sweep that. Possible. Or flip right where it's at. There's a gap below midnight right there. That is digging into. But I think it'd just be like a retrace. Go lower. I think we got a couple levels of consolidation down there, but we'll see. But I like that little dip it just did right now. Below midnight into that 5 minute gap. That's great.
Right.
To the left. Right.
Mm-hmm.
I have 89% that is going low. I'm going to sweep that. Like,
Now we just wait. Yeah.
In most seconds, man. 10 more. Ain't enough. Man, it's been raining all night.
Where you at?
Deep in the heart of Texas. Boy, I'm gonna go holler at Paul Walder.
The Iceman.
Johnny Dang. Give me a grill. Yeah, I come on Zoom. Turn the camera on. Smiling like
There go E.
a all of a sudden I'm inclined to be on Zoom. Flossing.
Mr. Boyd,
Oh, what's up, more?
guess who made their money for the day?
Ooh, let me hold something.
Not me. That's
Oh,
funny. Yeah, I thought I was in a trade and I was sitting and waiting and then it hit my target. I thought I made $800 whole time. I didn't click the buy button.
uh,
I was so sad. I said, you know what? I'm done for the day. Because I thought I
Congratulations.
made
You
my
played
money.
yourself.
I really did play myself real bad. And I was sitting in that trade for a good 6, 7 minutes. Just sitting there watching.
Couldn't breathe or nothing.
Yo.
in the tape read.
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh man, that's cool. All right.
Yeah.
So it would have played out though, huh?
Barely. Barely. Like it hit the target and then it immediately dropped. So,
All right, though.
but it would have worked.
Right?
Yeah, I would have been out. Because
Hey,
that's why I knew it wasn't working. Because I was like, wait, why am I not out of this trade? Called my mama, got her on the phone. She said, you're not even in the trade. I said, oh my God.
I give you partial credit for that.
Partial.
Nah, it ain't no credit because it ain't no money in that account still.
Oh, she said ain't no. Oh, okay, I think.
Mm-mm. But I'll be back at it tomorrow.
What trade was it? Do you know?
Hmm?
Can you point out the trade?
Let me see if I can see it on Boyd's. It was at like 8:30, like 8:25, 8:30. It was a ghetto trade.
It was a what?
It was a ghetto trade. Like the setup was there, but it was barely there. But I still took it.
Oh, I see what you took.
Mm-hmm.
Is this right here?
Let me see.
I think I done figured out how you trade already. Right up in here.
Let me see.
Let me move it up.
Yup.
That was it.
It was right around there. Yup.
Yep.
It was that, I think. Yup.
Like that little trade.
It was nice. It was nice. And I was right near the wick too. It was technically, it was a 1-to-1 stop loss technically, but I wouldn't have let it get to my stop loss.
Right. I see. Y'all got up top and then it got slapped. It slapped down.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's it.
Yeah, because I see the wick went over. Over. Yep. Yep. We got a wick into the sippy. And then the next candle opened up and went over that. And then the next candle dropped down into that candle. I see what you did there.
Yep, I was trying to make this money so I can get a copier.
Oh, you're trying to have another account. She want that hundred. That $100. She gonna say she try to re-up. You try to spend it. She gonna re-up, put it right back into the mix.
Spend that shit.
So anybody try to take that?
Nope.
I just asking. Somebody might have tried to take it.
Right. Not our rules. He's a Asian low, or we need that 5 minute shift.
Because it kind of played it in your face right there. And you see how like it's like slow keep rejecting that midnight
Mm-hmm.
when the following through like it's supposed to. Girl, who you put it on? My boy is girl, I think
time is it?
Older sister has.
Turquoise, Barney. Hey, Turquoise Barney, if you don't pick up the phone this morning and call me, 305-680-1047. 305-680-1047. Turquoise Barney. I need you to call me immediately because the shit that came across my table, we need to talk before I put it out. Turquoise, you better call me.
Hey, yo, E, man, that nigga wild, man.
What?
Talk to the closer, man. Hey, man, dude, wow.
Well, you beefing with somebody still?
Man, everybody,
You
man.
always beefing with some damn body. That's his whole gimmick.
Hey,
Damn, man, why you always?
man,
Sometimes
nigga.
be right, sometimes be wrong, but damn, he just being just always getting into it with people. I don't like that energy. The motherfucking girl with a black eye saying I'll be.
So, hey, Tony, when last time you got to tuck your kids in? Huh? Yeah. Real dad shit, father shit. Niggas want to compete with me? Compete on every level, yeah. When last time you tuck your kids in, nigga, tell them young kings good night. Huh? When last time you tell them kings?
Didn't mark off what you swept, man.
Yeah, yeah, but it's down there so close to
Yeah, but damn, this so close on me.
right, that right. You're right. Asia and London so goddamn close.
Set me up, dog. Set me up.
And we what? Almost London low.
Yeah, it literally goes from liquidity to liquidity. Well, London low. And went up to the 5 minute gap. It's rejected.
Would have been nice to get a ride up to the 5 minute gap. But you know how that go.
Well, that depends on if you anticipating the flip at the London low.
Nah. Where the stop go? Asia low? No, no.
Yeah.
13 minutes. If fucking turtle soup ate London low like that, man.
Yeah, if I said I had it.
Ridiculous, here, man. Fucking
You
ridiculous.
have to look. That's why you have to mark those levels off, bro.
No.
Like real talk. Like that's why I keep that indicator, the session indicator, or with
Yeah.
the two phones,
Yeah.
because for that very reason.
But shit, it hit it, but it don't give you an entry.
That ain't the point. What happens if you're selling it down? Do something like that.
Only go one direction.
Well,
I
same
got
thing.
you.
What happens if you buy it up and it take out London High, then all of a sudden, boom, it dropped.
Hey, you're right. Hey, you setting that bitch down. You're like, damn, this motherfucker didn't retrace. Then they're 50 points.
Yeah, because I was in the sell down just now.
I got you.
That's why I said you set them up. I'm looking at A's and low down there. Wasn't paying attention to London low. Then all of a sudden I seen that counter pop up over. I said, wait a minute. I zoomed out, seen who's at London low. I said, oh no, I'm gone. Because I know the retrade damn near 100 points on me.
Right.
Yeah, so you didn't mark off that liquidity though. It was still a gap right there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, right up
Mhm.
below them equal lows though.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. RTH is above us. Like that. All-time high is above us. Dum, 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 dum. No rush. It's an indicator that marks off London low AJ. Let me see something. Yo, you driving? Or you at the you at the restaurant?
No, I'm literally sitting on the side of it.
Oh man. This nigga waiting for this 9:30.
Good morning, Miss K. Good to have you here. Miss K, Frosty Ducks, micro player.
Oh my dude.
Is here. John. Good morning, John. That one. Good morning. Antonio, good morning.
Mm.
Give me my motherfucking money. Let me. That shit was capped, bro. And it him. Because it ran off. You see, like you said, ain't give you no entry.
No
What,
fucking answer.
what that mean? Man, give me my money. I won. Give me my money. You what? I don't.
I lost. I lost.
Okay. Stretch.
Unask my cash.
Yeah, it's doing a complete opposite. And SpaceX out in space. Jeez.
Somebody got a random phone call about that. About SpaceX. What you think about people saying you should get it? I say, hey, man. I say, you get it. You won't. I say, you day trading or you trying to hold it forever?
Right.
That's the question. You trying to hold it forever? Then by all means, file. Let's keep buying. Whether it's up or down, just keep buying. But if you try to day trade, yeah, I think we're gonna go up in the short term. Why? They're gonna come and get some of that. You believe that?
YM and ES is bullish.
Doing the same thing. They're doing completely different things.
Yeah.
And outside.
Those two is running and NQ is dropping.
One got the wick. Reaching down, what's she reaching for?
Asian low.
Already got it real mark though. I say, man, this thing goes from liquidity to liquidity. From London low up to the 5 minute gap. Then you get rejected at midnight. Then go down for the other low. Like, it's ping pong.
Asian low.
There you go. Easy piece of lemon squeezy. You gotta train your eyes not to always see five.
Ooh, YM outside.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
Because they give you a buy signature. Yeah. Slap you in the mouth. Because the true liquidity was lower. With it fake like it's gonna go up. Then bam. Now, once you take the real true liquidity, what does she do? And this is the reason why I be on them sub-seconds.
Right, don't get it. Don't get your motherfucking thing.
Look at the 1 second chart.
Right. It don't give you nothing to 15. It
Look
don't
at the
give
1
you
second.
1 second.
Right.
See that right now? Bam. It's called anticipation.
Man, anticipate my account being blown.
Nah, man. She tipped the hand. She tipped the hand, bro. You know what you're looking for. That was a major liquidity level.
It was.
Yeah, doing nothing spectacular. I'm just saying, okay, this is liquidity. Just show me. Just show me anything going the other way. And I'm gonna take it.
So you got out at midnight as well?
Yep. Boom, boom. But yeah, got it at midnight.
Okay.
But that's what she did. You see, like when she took London low, you see what she did? She retraced it. Boom.
Yeah, she
And
retraced.
then she came back down for the late Asia. And boom, she retraced immediately. There's a lot of stocks below her. So they got to get rid of that juice by pulling it out.
I don't know why.
So I just took it back up to the 5-minute.
YM didn't roll. It's still on June.
She probably about to flip. Yeah, to that 1 hour. Let me see, 1 hour. Yeah, she hit that same gap we talked about on the 1 hour. No, you ain't got that yet. You ain't get that yet. Yeah, she may not. So everything you wanted to do now. What ES got going on? She still up?
Oh, she's pulling back a little bit. Yes.
Lean on the macro. Lean on the macro.
Ain't wrong.
Yeah, macro today.
Couple quick hits, and I just wait and let us show which way she want to go for real, for real. Get in the mouth. 8:40. Oh, it's 9:40 over there.
You in Texas?
Near Baymont right now. Almost in Houston.
I thought it's flooding down there in Houston. That's
I
where.
don't know. It might be because it's been raining like hell down. I haven't made it to Houston yet, but I wouldn't be surprised because Houston it don't take but a thimble of water to flood Houston.
Yeah,
You leave your tub on a little too long, Houston flooded.
yeah. My cousin moved from New York and she live out there. She complains when it rains. It's terrible.
Hmm. Hmm.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Good
All right, who took
morning.
that? Who took that? Who took that? Who took that?
You know I took it.
Okay, okay, I see you. I see you. Can you point out what you took? Yeah, I'll
We say not done. Wait.
wait. It
On
ain't
me?
done yet.
It's not done yet.
See, this is a signature, man. When you see this, that's a signature.
Yeah, that's a rejection.
Yeah. And then you saw this came up over this.
Mm-hmm. It
What's
does a
this?
little it does
First
a
gap.
little deep on you.
What's this? Trying to go there. Ain't no gap still up here.
9.5.
Yo, 9:30 manipulation. I say not done yet. 1 to 2. Once you take that thing all the way up,
You want to. Now you
I might
want too
well
much.
catch that again. Nice. 1 to 2. Okay. Okay, sir. I see you. Let's ask the question.
That's where we talk about lock all them doors because it, it didn't hit this.
Yeah,
This
hit.
candle. It
Right.
didn't
Hold
hit it.
on.
That's why I was just looking at it.
Right.
This candle hit it.
Right. Say the hell what I'm talking about. Damn, my target. What it two? You try to decipher how to read candles. Like it's like it's telling the story. Case in point.
Keep on going.
So,
Say the wigs do the damage, the body
So-
tell the story.
the
Keep
reason
on
why Price sent this. Let's see. Price sent this wick up here first.
Keep on going. There you go. Keep on
Candle
going.
It sent that up there first to break this shit up. Then it come right back behind it again. So it's like Elon Boring Company, you know, the machine that go under the ground and burrow a hole.
Mm-hmm.
That's like burrowing the hole through all this, and then it come right back behind it for a smoother ride up to the actual liquidity, which is that way.
Come on, 872. Keep on
Based
going.
on the chart, this is what liquidity at right now. This is where your first chance where it can drop.
There we go. 872. Come on.
And then see if you run your field from here to here, this is the OTE. If you run it from here to here, this is a OTE, and it's just building itself up. Stairs.
Mm-hmm.
And people get nervous about the retraces,
There we go.
but you have to understand the narrative. See, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
You saying like that?
Say it again.
You saying like that?
Can't hear you, guys.
I said that what you be saying and just like that.
Just like that.
Straight like that.
That's getting in before the 5-minute shift. But like we talked about at class on Saturday, like watching this level was taken.
The only reason why I was looking like that, because it ran Asian and it ran London, and my initial bias when I first came was down because I seen it made the shift to the downside on the 5 and the 15-minute, but it left all them untouched gaps on the way down. So I had a feeling that price was going to at least try and flip and go back to that 15-minute.
At this point, what you would love is for it to make a gap right now. They do that and go back into it, you gonna follow that.
All that up here. All that's the target.
They flip and do that, man. I might be making that 100.
It's pushing now.
You that devil?
Now I'm about to be inside the macro too.
I'm gonna send you my cash up, boy.
What time it is? 9:49?
Yep, macro time.
Yeah, but you gotta be a little careful with that.
Right.
Yeah, see, that's how you get straight to that without even no line, no weight, no house. That's where your liquidity is at. Right? Now, if she wants some more, she can go get it.
Mm-hmm. Hey, yo, Amir, you take that?
No, I didn't take that.
Jamal, you take that?
Nah.
Fuck. Oh, yeah, you take that?
No.
Mm-mm.
Khalees, you take that?
No.
Lily, look, let me see. Lily, you on here?
And now you see your 950 algo, what it's doing.
Taking it all the way up to the top.
And this is the open range gap, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
there's a reason you didn't take that trade?
Well, I was waiting for the shift, and
What did we go over Saturday?
You shift right there.
That's a shift.
you
No,
saw
no,
bearish. Yeah.
no. This the shift. The shift is right here. This kind of short-term high, bearish gap, wick above. This the last gap.
This shift me
Oh yeah, yeah.
quick in the middle.
Then we talk about this Saturday, Amir, when key liquidity level was taken.
It did
Look
this
what
too. It did this one too. See that? That's your inversion.
Okay.
So you push that out to the further.
yeah.
Yeah. Hitting that light swim with.
Hey yo, Khalees.
Yes.
Then we study this Saturday in class.
Yeah.
I
I
just
just I didn't see it because I went to the bathroom and I
I,
came
I,
back and
I got you. I got
well,
you.
I'm getting ready. Yeah.
I got you. I got you. I just want to make sure because some people in the bleachers they said we're confusing. Now
Yeah, I came back and saw it, but it was
yeah,
already too late.
I got you. But yeah, we went over this Saturday. Hey yo, Jamal,
Yes.
in your notes, we went over this Saturday, didn't we? Just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Want to make sure.
So oh yeah, I see those good old CID dude. We'll use that in a minute. It's J like CID, right?
What
Yeah.
is YM doing?
The Watus.
Why is YM running like that?
She's doing the funky Watus.
Because Amir, remember we went over this Saturday when we said we not gonna wait for this 5 minute shift because at times you can miss a great play. We can
You
buy
can
it
take
up
it to the shift.
to
Right?
take it to the shift.
Yeah, I heard you say that on
Yeah, but because it'd be a lot of times we waiting and waiting. It's
right.
like it already took out our
What I
key
was telling
liquidity
you
level.
before, I was telling you, I said you when you do that, you're asking the market to do a whole lot before you get into it.
Right.
It's like you need a market short shift on the 5 minute, you need a retrace,
Mhm.
and then you need then once it come back into the 5 minute gap, now you want it to show you. It's like
Right. That's a lot.
a whole 100, 200 points to be done transpired by then.
Right.
Because if you look at it from this perspective, a lot of times what's happening is when you waiting for it to give you a 5-minute shift, it already done hit a 5-minute
right
on the way down and
Mhm.
flipped. You just, the main thing is you got to pick the right or know the range to know which 5-minute or 15-minute is going to give you that flip,
And also you gotta know your key liquidity levels.
right? Based on the range, the
Right.
dealing range, and the liquidity levels, and if it's in discount, it give you a high probability that it's probably going to give you a reaction in that area.
Mm-hmm. Hey, yo, Jamal, you got your notes, man. Write that down. What he's saying.
Yeah, I got my notes.
Yeah, we can't miss them kind of plays, man.
These ones that keep you out of the freight sometimes.
This shit right here.
Yeah, because now relatively, let's say if this is a buy model, right? Then it's gonna give you a whole bunch of bullshit over here.
Right.
You're gonna be going back and forth over here, and then a lot of people get caught up over there on the lower time frame,
Right.
because it's real tricky over here. But down here, well, that's so simple. It's easy. It's better to get in down here than to have to deal with this.
Yeah. Once I saw this moving up, it's okay. Where's my bearish gap? Okay, right here. Boom. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Short term high. Okay, there you go. Just don't come back down here. Hey, come on. Just don't come back down here before you wick above. Wicked above here. Say cool. Last line of defense right here.
And that's why they call this the low risk buy down here, because you're so close to this basically the edge.
The edge, right?
Right. So it's easier to get in down here. And it don't really take that much. You know what I mean? You only got to put a hell of a lot of risk on them. If you're right, you can always add.
Yep.
You know, you might put one, maybe two contracts, 3, 4, depending on, the account size. And whether it's minis or, micros or whatever. But if you're right, you'll know.
Real
If you're
quick.
wrong, you'll know.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? You'll know real quick. Now, you see all the fang dangling you're doing now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how many? Okay, so let's say you got in on the version, right? How many points is that to the liquidity level, the 5-minute liquidity level, right? Well, let's say you got in right here.
80.
Exactly. That ain't enough.
Right.
80 points is just short. What's that? $1,800? Yep, I think. No, 1,900. Every 20 ticks is $100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's $1,900. Now, I draw this out a few seconds ago. This is why I say you got to understand liquidity. Remember, I said the first bearish gap where it can reverse is above that wick right there. And then you line that up with what? What time it happened? What time is it?
Inside the macro.
Exactly. Time and price. Just going from one side to the other.
Mm-hmm.
I think she wants to be
Follow the
better.
money. Follow the money. Follow the money.
Mhm.
How many points was that drop?
She took that from her.
Ain't damn near the same amount of points on the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And some people are skilled enough to be able to go from one to the other. So they up 160 points out of it. Or you stay on one side, get what you need and go. Just you have to understand, man. It's all on your level of comprehension. If you can understand the up move, take the up move and go. Call it. Take it to the potential warning level. Like you don't know what's going on up here. You know what I mean? Get out. Let that be your liquidity level.
No.
Same thing for this. You coming down below this wick. There's still a gap right there. It's small, but it's in there. Those two ain't touching. So that's what's in it. Look, but it wasn't enough. Yeah. Get some more. Get outside the rule. Another thing that's helped me is I've been really paying attention to the PDRA matrix. Uh, you know, the different things going, whether you're in discount or whether you're in premium, that can make it project. That's helped a lot as well. Now you probably so why don't you just do that? Well, that's the next thing on the PDRA matrix. See that volume imbalance. You hit that on 30-second right there.
Hey, yo, Killer said teams got more entry models than adults. Like, no, they got better. They got better entry models. They got proven entry models. Big difference. Big difference.
I think they only got like two, right? Not that many.
We got three. We got three solid bullish entries.
And what are they, sir?
No. It ain't for YouTube. Uh-uh. Keep on pushing. 868. 868. There we go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Come on, baby. Run the top. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Get out that gap. There we go. Come on, get out the gap. Come on, baby. Push on up. Come on, baby. Jeez. Mm. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on.
You know, you still have it on the right side on that bottom. Boy,
Come on, baby.
boy, give
Come
y'all kind of
on.
hell, don't it?
Give you hell. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come
Like
on,
more
baby.
than free.
Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give me a closer answer. Come on. Come on, baby. Jeez. You see. Trying to go 2 for 2. Come on. 2 for 2. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go.
Oh
There we
shit.
go. Wait, you selling it?
No, I almost almost hit over my T.
Come on. There we go. Come on, baby.
I ain't selling it. It needs to come
Come
higher.
on, baby. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. See, this is a real no news day right here. This bullshit, man. Yesterday was an anomaly, man. I shouldn't. Come on, baby.
No.
Back to Asian low.
One hour chart.
Mm-hmm.
What do you see?
That gap all the way down there, but I don't think it's going down there.
One of the. All right. What's that?
It didn't come to the gap yet.
No, not yet.
I mean, the gap above to fall, it didn't come. Even the 50 minutes. That's why I kept on saying I need her higher. But
What do you think it might go?
Take Asian low again.
You know, what's the next major liquidity?
672.
Ping pong, man.
Mm-hmm. It now I need a 5-minute shift if I'm for that. If 5-minute shift now.
if we're bearish,
So, you know, it first started, before we started this part, talking about that, I was looking like we was in the sale program,
Yeah.
and then we had that level of consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
But it's that same damn level that got rejected from, right here. That's how you could be bullish and bearish at the same
Right.
time. Because this roll area here is consolidation from this cell. Yeah. And the key was 950. When you went into this, that this right here, 950. Time prices. She wasn't really giving you no follow through over midnight. She kept playing. Also, see this candle right here. this candle right here. Not that one, but the one right with the wick right next to it. The long wick.
Yeah.
That candle stopped it from leaving the gap. So if you look, let's say, oh yeah, we got to shift to the upside. Boom. But it ain't got no gap up under it because of that damn wick.
Mm-hmm.
Now had it left a gap right here, that's a different story. But it ain't had no gap. So it just went literally up in here and rejected. That's why, like I said, it's good to have multiple time frames so you can see all of it. When I'm at home,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm at the patrol center for real. Batman in his damn bat cave. Alfred.
Okay, well,
Ordinances. Joker's last incident. Yes, sir. But you see how it play out. Like it plays out over time. But there's moves within that. You know what I mean? Like
Right.
go up, you can come back down.
Mm-hmm.
That's what makes the market so efficient because it offers both sides an opportunity.
That was my biggest reason for finding those the entry models for the teams. I was like, every time, man, we just waiting, then it ship and don't get nothing. We just, man, you be sitting here so long that you get frustrated.
And then some people might go, "Oh, Evie talking about both sides of his neck." Cause everything ain't just one way. Nothing's one way. It's only one way at that very point in time. And then 5 minutes later, it's going the other way. You know what I mean? Like you just got to be right when you in it.
Right.
You don't got to know the whole inner workings of the market.
Nope.
You just need to know when you push this button, what is it looking for? And once you get to that point, get the hell out. Because now it might require another level of knowledge from that point. You hit the liquidity that you see, that's your target, get the hell on. Because you might not know all of what's going on, because it might be going up just to bring your ass back down. Case in point. Oh, I think we're going to take the top off. Okay. But what happened if 950 come and they go the opposite direction? Now what? Trade to the level of your comprehension.
oh gosh.
You'll avoid a whole lot of pain and sorrow. Well, I was saying earlier when I said, you see how down here the NQ, the NWAG, and that level of liquidity was grouped together? Like, yeah, you see, right? It didn't hit that liquidity level yet. It shot back up. NQ nasty, bro. She nasty, bro. She got right there. Like, she didn't really touch it yet. couple ticks away, and then she shoot up. How many points that is? Like 80 points. Just to stop anybody who was trailing their stop. Blow them out. I get more nervous at the target, right at the target, than I do getting in. Cause I know NQ, man.
You know, Quisha.
Yeah, man, I told you she'll go in your pocket while you sleep. Yeah, just come over and have a good time. Wake up, she gone, wallet gone, your front door wide open. And she done sent this text to my something came up.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go. Because thing, she shoot out 80 points and you got 1 mini on it. Bro, that's like I said, like 18, $19 million.
Mm-hmm. All right, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? So she thinking, yo, you ain't gonna be able to sustain that stop.
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? And that's why she doubled back so far. But she really don't want nobody trailing her down, riding her coattail.
Like NQ at times make you like, man, shit, do I even need to put a motherfucker stop on this bitch, man?
Be honest with you, sometimes no. Or you just gotta know like where is more than likely she ain't gonna come to. Like okay, say you were selling this down. It's probably good to put your stop right here. Using that order block to help you. See what I'm saying? Then she come on down some more. But then she double back, bam.
Right.
Then
See,
going
and
down.
them double backs is what gets you
Right.
mentally.
Right. So basically, you about to put the market back. What you got it from yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday was mm, mm. Squeeze it up.
Like 1564. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Hey, yo, E, 120
Yeah,
point
no,
retrace.
that's enough.
120 point retrace.
That was enough.
So a lot of times it's another signature, and this is when we go down. All right, so you got your end wall right there, right? Why is this not working? So you got your end wall right here. A lot of times when price goes down through it, it'll come back up and tap it. Now, then it can turn around and go back down smooth from there. Or sometimes it'll be like, it'll base below and then it'll come back up. That'll be a reversal, whatever. Like that too. But once you go below the end wall like that, sometimes it, like say you look for a signature to give you a up move. And then that lines up with what? 1030. So 1030, so whatever. Another signature on the algorithm. So they're on the 15 second.
That's a 30 on the right.
You know what I'm saying? Was it there on the 15? Like a lower entry.
Not none that I would have trusted.
You want to trust this one? This one right here?
If it would have hit something, yeah. But
I mean, hit this gap. Got a gap right there.
no, I'm talking about if it would have took out Asian low, London low,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. But hey, too many times I didn't try to get in this. That thing that ran all this. I mean, the lower
Like,
low.
turn around in mid-air.
Right. Yeah.
But yeah, this is, like I said, that was a signature. Like, if it go up and over or in wall, it'll like to retrace back to it. And then bounce from there and go higher. Same thing on the other side of that. If it goes down through it, it like to come back up and tap the bottom
Take you through that.
and then go back down.
Come on, let's go.
It's like treating it like a gap almost.
We in good part. We in excellent profit. I'm just trying to see like how far down I can take this. So this one candle. 17K, 18.
Yeah, I have it in walls for my chart. Oh, Lord have mercy. Probably like 4 years now. Yeah, man. Yeah, and
Yes, and 30 seconds.
Tron. And you can use them as targets too. You know what I mean? You can use the bottom of it as a target if you're going up, or the top of it as a target when you're going down. You know what I mean? But if you get a lot of times you get an energetic move through it, then it'll retrace to it and then continue. It's basically like a continuation pattern.
High school, I should.
Here's basically how it works though. You open it back. You can either sell or you'll get a 100% market on it, but if it's either the vault, you get your collection. You can ship it to us. You can go to it in 3 days. So it come in a box exactly like this. Just a little wine.
Yeah, like have me a little cheat code thing on there that show up right here. Okay, you know that's what it really want. So you said go up to this. They're looking for a move to go sit it back down. Do it.
And then if it don't and it flip, then you know where it's going in.
Right, then you know where it's going. Right, there you go. Or at least you would know, okay, if it flipped from there, then you know at least it's the
Right.
next level of liquidity.
Are you late? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't feel like coming today. There you go. Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what the macro gives us. 1050 macro.
And I think what happens is it's just me speculating, saying let me spitballing. But I think maybe the institutions are trading off of these in-walls and shit. So then when the price go down through it, they got orders to mitigate. And then, you know what I'm saying, take it even lower.
Right.
So it's basically like a handshake right here, an exchange going on right inside the in-wall, right up here with the institutions. And then they take it down to the our next like liquidity level or whatever that they got. Look, come up and hit it, give you a little, like a higher high. That's high. Getting that, yeah. So, there you go. You go with the bush. But until then. Anybody there? Testing. Bueller.
No, I'm chilling.
They ain't taking all them trades like you, E.
Don't do it
No, I
like
didn't.
that.
No, I didn't take that. I was just asking if anybody did.
Mhm. Nah,
Because I see one
looking.
of them. I see one of them entry patterns
I was looking at it.
that we talking about, and look at what time it was.
it's not the
Macro.
macro.
Uh-huh. What did it just do? Target before that.
Facebook consumer had sent you $4 for your settlement.
So, you got your one of the entry models there.
See, I didn't want to take that, and and I'm like, nah, I gotta wait.
Man, 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in the drop top, cruising the streets. What they gave you? Let's see. This may end up being a whole W.
It won't trouble you. RYTH.
Let's see. So you got, okay, so you come in right now. Okay. Come in right for that. Tap into it. Okay. 60. Oh, he gave you the whole 50.
Mm-hmm.
Gave you the whole 50 spot.
It ain't done yet. 672. 647.
Came right to the midline. For the consequent curl. Yeah, go wait a minute now. Yeah, that's a good move, man. Even based off of what you said earlier, what you like to see. You saw that? Like this one right here. And then the next one went over it. And went down into this gap, which is, your inversion or whatever. Also,
Yeah, Deontay took that. Yeah, Deontay took that.
yeah. During the macro too. Yeah. Like I say, you lean on that macro.
It won't trouble you.
Shit, if you go the wrong way, it will. Cause sometimes that's one thing you gotta know the narrative, boy. Go, boy, that macro will get you messed up too. You going the wrong way. It'll make your move and then turn around and go the other way.
Tell me about it.
Because you're thinking, oh, it's bringing me up to this point. Oh, we're going up. Nah, it's just going up to that OTE to go down. Yeah. But yeah, you see how like it's trying to form that W. But we'll see because it's going to once it get there, see what it hit the bottom of there. Yeah, well, what time it is? 11? 11.
Mm-hmm. Hey, yo, YouTube wants you to explain a little bit more.
A little more about what? What in particular? So there you go. Well, I always say, like, you see what you see on the left, you gonna get on the right. Built in the pot, man. Just have to be careful.
They want to know about the last thing about the W you was talking about. Can you explain a little
Oh, I
bit
said,
more?
well, so the W is basically a signature of testing, retesting. That's basically just a test and a retest. So a retest of the lows or the M is a retest of the high. So you're going to get out of one or two things. So you get a low, lower low, where this low is lower than this one. Or you're going to get a low, fail low. So that's the W. What I was talking about. So that's the signature saying, hey, this is a low, and we've retested it. If you're successful and it goes through it, and then it turn around and flip and give you another gap on the right side, then you can take that up. But if it give you a W and fail low and give you a gap on the right side, you can take that up too. Like you just want to see what happens once it tests this low.
They said you was pointing out something with the swing high before it came back to the inversion.
Oh, well, you mentioned it earlier. Like when you have a wick, okay, so let's say you wanted to take, I'm saying words right now. Oh, that's why. Thank you. So you remember earlier you mentioned that it was like you had a wick inside a gap, and then you came right back with the next candle went higher than that one.
Yep.
You did that. I didn't even know that was possible. So that's like in your mind, like you would see that as like a shift.
Right.
And then retrace back to the gap, which was made in that process, which was here. Keep on that. Here. What I look at it as, I look at it more so as an inversion, where this came back and closed over there. And this whole little down and up move was done during the macro, right at 11 o'clock. So then it just needed to come back into it. Remember, it just swept this too now. Swept this. So it set it up. That's just like what I was saying with the low, lower low. And then the gap on the right side.
Right.
That's the entry mark. So that's this over here. A closer look into it, more microscopic. So it set an edge. It went up, turned around and ran it, and then immediately gave you a gap on the right side with an inversion. Boom, you can take that up. And I use it when I do that. I normally, like you said, I target like 50 points, which is why I asked. I look to see how. Let's say you came right at the top, right here. It gave you that 50. You got it in right here, and here you at 660. That's 6 points right now. Just one contract. That's $1,000 over $1,000. Was that one? I don't know if that would have been 1 or 2 though. But they ain't 1 or 2. It would have to go. Hey, what's 1 or 2 on that move?
Which one?
If you take it off the inversion. Just above that wick.
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't know. On that move, I would have tried to figure the points. You got that alone. Because I know what it's gonna give me up until that. You know what I mean? Now squeeze this up. Squeeze at 5 minutes. See how many levels of consolidation we got so far.
2. 1. It's the second one.
2. Okay. What time it is? 11? They might get one more. Might get one more, bro. See? That's why for the adults that are out there in TV land, I don't know how many times I stressed this, but learning that market maker buy model and sell model, or just having it up. Like I said, print it out, put it right next to the computer. Put it like right at the bottom of the computer on the screen, on the monitor. Just tape a little small one on it. If you can do that and just watch how it makes the different levels of it, like then you start. I'll show you a sale first. So start right up here. Let's say sweep that, right? Drop, consolidate, then it'll drop again, consolidate. And it depends if you want to do 2 or 3, because they can do 2 or 3. If you drop one more time, then it'll hurry up, bam, it'll flip. Then you'll see it close above that. Then it'll start retracing back to it, and then start making other levels, respecting it. Respect this level. That's liquidity. That's what people. The reason why it's doing this This is what people want to rest their stops at because it looks smooth to them. So they putting their stops there and there. Then when they flip, now it's coming for those stops. That same liquidity that was rested there, that's its target. It's looking to take it out. So it'll run up, take that, boom. Then it'll retrace, pop back up, and go for the next one. Boom, take that. Then this is where it originally started with the consolidation. Boom, market maker bottom, my bottom complete. So all I'm doing over here, I'm just identifying, okay, we're on this side of the curve. This is the sell side going down, then this is the buy side going up. So right now, we're currently on the sell side of this. It hasn't bottomed out yet. Sooner or later, it's going to bottom out. And then that's when it's going to flip, come back up. So if you can Google this. M, M, X, M. That means market maker, buy or sell model. This can be B or it can be M. I mean S. But the X stands for either or. Because the whole thing is when you're on the sell side going down, it's leading you to the buy side going back up. And this is the only two things the market do. The only two. The only things it do is either you selling, which would be on this side, or you buying, which would be on this side going back up. And your job is to identify where you are in the model at the time you take your trade. Once you understand that concept, cheat code unlocked. Only suggest print out just Google market maker buy model or market maker sell model, or really just market maker MMXM. Google that. In images, it'll show you the model. And then you print that out, put it up on your put it on your wall in your room where you trade at, whatever. And the cool thing about it is that happens on every time frame. It's every time frame, whether it's the seconds, minutes, 15 minutes, hourly, it's all the same. That's the reason why I be asking for it, squeeze chart sometimes, because I'm looking to see what's the bottoming, where I think the bottoming of it might be. Because there's other stuff. See, like right here, we might try to go below these wicks, down into this gap maybe, down here. So I'm just looking for something that it can bounce off of. And then once it get to that level, I'm looking for it to give me the signals for the flip. That's all. See, people got their stops all over through here. Coming for it. Coming to take it. So it could come all the way down here. That's steep. Boy, that's a long discount for him. Big ass discount. It might not go that far, but so yeah, I mean, literally, there's liquidity in here. What's up? Big liquidity in this gap and efficiency. And if you notice, like on the way down, when it got to a gap, it gave you some kind of move up here. Like it gave you a little back and forth up in here. So it was a move in there to go up. Then came down for this here. Right up in there's another gap. See this up and down, back and right there. That's another move. If you bullish. Now you got, as like I said, there's a little bit up in here. Slide that 30-second up. So it's just pulling. Basically, what it's doing is, if it won't lower, if there's orders in there, they got to pull them out. So it's just like opening up if you got let's say you got a toy chest and you're looking for a particular toy, and it's at the bottom of the damn toy chest. So when you open it up, what you got to do? You got to pull all this shit out there to get to it. So that's basically what it's doing. If you want to go lower, if you want to get lower, you have to continue to pull stuff out of the box. So that's when it does a little flip move. It'll be temporary because it might not have enough. If it ain't got enough, just a temporary move. So don't expect it to be, sustainable. And then a lot of people get caught because they think, oh, we're going all the way to heaven. And they turn around, you can't tell. Run your film on that. If you don't mind, straight from here to here. How far back is that? That's probably about 50, right?
So what are you? My bad.
I was saying run your film. I see where we at on about 50%, right?
Yeah.
And be like, this gap down there is near 70. That's what my eyes see, man. I said it ain't nothing revolutionary. It's just understanding liquidity, time and price.
Huge sell off right before FOMC tomorrow.
That's what she doing.
Mhm.
She give it on one side, gave it back on the other side.
Mhm.
And now your ass waiting on the news.
Yeah, because it's so close to all time high right there. All time high is right there.
Go to something I saw on the ES that you showed on it. You was looking at ES earlier today, and I seen it. Go to the daily, I think. Now, if they do this, it'd be interesting. But
See, another thing I'm looking at is like
what happens
ES
when a
ES
wick?
hasn't even ran as far as NQ.
Right. So go back to the daily. So what happens if you do this? It's like, okay, that's a gap.
Right.
That could come down, wick down into that.
Yep. And then take these highs.
Guys, right. Manipulate down off some news, and then boom, flip.
Right. Hey yo, Amir, Jamal, Anya,
Yes, sir.
the
That's good.
market, the market did deliver one side this morning. So since I'm about to get out of here, but I want y'all to look in the PM session for a move.
Okay.
If you got any questions, don't me, Jay, throw your question in the Telegram, team Telegram. If you got a question on the move, and we have no problem helping you. Guy Jamal?
Yeah.
But if you don't see it, you don't see it. Don't force nothing. Y'all got any questions? What we got here? Guess not. And as E will say, and on that note.